This is a service video by GL Technics. Before you start servicing your EBS 100, make sure to disconnect it from any power source and remove the pressure. Firstly, disconnect it from any power source by simply pulling the cable. Now make sure that the hose is connected to the collection tank. Now you can check the gauges, and if they show 0 bar, this is a good indicator, but you can never be certain. This is why you have to follow the next steps. Bring lever A to position A2 and B to B3. Then A to A1 and B to B2. And finally, both levers to position 1. Now you can vent the system by pushing the valve. Your EBS 100 is now pressureless and disconnected from any power source, and you're good to go. Today we want to show you how to replace the blue hose that connects to your incline seat filter. In order to do so, you'll need spanners in metric sizes 12 and 19, some wipes, and medium Loctite. You'll need safety goggles, a metric size 4 Allen key. First, move to the back of your device. Now remove the cable and use your metric size 4 Allen key to remove the backplate. Put it aside safely. Place your wipes around the filter. Then apply your spanners to open these nuts. Pay attention as fluid could drop out. Now remove the nut and keep it for later, as you will reapply it to the new hose. Put the nut on the new hose. Add some medium Loctite. And now you can put the hose on and screw it hand tight. As a last step, use the metric size 12 spanner to tighten the nut a little bit further, but not too tight. Make sure that the gap between nut and filter is roughly 1 millimeter.